Alright, what's up guys? So we're back in the backyard. I just picked up the new Simple Green and just got back. This is the stuff we wanted. Simple Green all-purpose cleaner, non-toxic, biodegradable. And it says on the back right here that it's good on aluminum. It says aluminum right there. So, and I saw in a different YouTube video that some people use this, tested it out, and it worked pretty good. So we already got the setup here with it all poured in there. The whole bottle's in there. We filled it up with hot water, and then we got the burner on it. Losing a lot of heat coming straight up and off to the side, and it's not going to heat it up very well. That's why heating from underneath is the best way to go. So I might try and make a setup to where it heats up underneath. Alright guys, so this is the setup I got now. So I have a jack on one side and some a metal rod that's from my press on the other side, just holding it up. And then I have the burner just perfectly set up on the bottom. Heat this thing up, and I think this is definitely going to be a way more efficient way to heat this thing up. And I did find a slight leak on the lip right here. As you can see, it's just dripping away. I'm gonna let this thing get to a warmer temperature for a little bit. Then we'll put some aluminum parts in there and see how it cleans up. This is what I have. It's a valve keeper remover and installer. So I'm gonna hit it with a flathead a few times, kind of knock them loose. This might work. So I'm still doing this. I'm still removing these valve seals. And as you see, I set it on the floor. I place said foot and yank them off, twisting them, yanking them off with pliers. Try that, it makes it so much easier. Got the head, valves out, valve stems out, cam out, rocker arm assembly out, valve keepers off, retainers, valve seals. I'm not sure what else to do. What else to pick up? I'm gonna throw it back up here on the bench and see what's needed to take off. So it looks pretty much done. Oh, so there's these. Don't forget to take these out. So these sit on the bottom. These sit on the bottom of the springs. This is what the spring sits on the bottom. Sits right there just like that, all the way in the bottom, and you just pull it off. Got all those removed right there. So I'm gonna set this outside, and I'm going to spray this down with the pressure washer and then set it in the hot bath. What's up, guys? So this is a hot tank. I just wanted to show you a little something that I kind of made. This is just an old deep fryer basket. I took the handle part and I took the plastic cover off of it, straightened it out, and then took the end and made it into like a little hook to where it just sits right in the liquid, so I can put all my small stuff in there and it's not all the way on the bottom of the tank. And then when I need to strain it, I'll just pull it up and put it on the original little hook and let it strain out. I think it's amazing. And these parts turned out nice and clean. So now it looks like I'm deep frying car parts, and car parts hardware. I just wanted to come see what's happening. Look at that. No oil stains, no nothing. That looks amazing. Alright, so I got 3 layers of gloves on. Hopefully that'll protect me. That looks awesome. Ooh. Alright guys, so I just pulled a couple pieces and parts out of the hot tank, and this is one of them. Look at how nice that came out. I just wanted to show, like, building this hot tank is like such a great idea. You don't have to sit there, waste time by scrubbing and using all this degreaser. Just literally, this is what the hot tank did to this. This was like all oil stained, all brown and stuff. Look at this, it almost looks like a brand new part. It's like 5 in the morning. I've been working on this for a while, but yeah, I'm super stoked at how these actually turned out. Nice and clean, and they look really, really good. A lot better than what they did before. They were that brown oily color. Now they're nice and clean again. I did end up putting that cylinder head back into the hot tank. I'm gonna let it sit in there for a few more hours, then I'm gonna turn it off and just let it completely cool down so I can pull all the parts out, because that water stays hot for a while. So we got that spot right there, and the combustion chamber is still super dirty, so I'm gonna try and take the brush and get the rest of that off. Alright guys, I just want to show you this oil pan real quick. So I had it sit in the hot tank 2 times, sprayed it off, and left it in there for a few more hours. This is as good as I can get it basically, and it looks pretty good. I mean, it stripped all of the paint, which is crazy. Obviously it still missed a couple areas, but, and then the backside looks like that, which looks just weird. You can see some of the tack welds too, which is kind of neat, but mostly it's just like, I don't know what it is. But this side will definitely be repainted black, and then the other side will be left bare. But yeah, the hot tank works, good stuff.